Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying rights. Confirm you own or have a written license for each copyrighted element you plan to post. Collect proof now, licenses, receipts, emails, or contracts, and store them where you can access fast. Once done, check whether the specific use fits fair use or a local fair dealing rule. This matters because Facebook enforces both policy and legal takedown requests. Make sure to note territorial limits in licenses, since permission in one country may not cover another. Next, you configure Facebook's rights tools. Enroll in Rights Manager if you control recurring content or use the proper upload metadata for one-off posts. Once enrolled, register reference files and add license details so automated matches know your permissions. When a match appears, decide whether to allow use, monetize, or block. This prevents future disputes. Also, attach provenance information in the post caption or metadata to show authorized use. Make sure to test with a private post before publishing publicly. Finally, if content is flagged or removed, act quickly. Use Facebook's dispute or counter notice forms and upload your collected proof. Licenses, timestamps, and correspondence to justify the use. Keep detailed logs, message ID, screenshots, and any automated match reports for record keeping and possible legal escalation. If resolution fails, negotiate directly with the rights holder before returning the content. One troubleshooting tip: do not re-upload altered or cropped versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.